how to send money using Wise. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about this platform called Wise. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your account. After doing that, you're going to look over here on the top left and then you're going to click on Send Money button. You would be redirected to this page over here where you would be able to enter how much you want to send to the other party. It will also show you over here how the conversion will work and how much the recipient would get. Now when you click on continue, this will send us to this page where it's going to ask us who we are sending the money to, either to ourselves, somebody, or a business or charity. We're going to click on somebody else, and then it's going to ask us to input information about that someone you're going to send the money to, such as their email, bank details, and recipient address. After filling this in, you can simply click on continue. Now when you open yourself, you're also going to need to enter your bank details so that they can send the money into your bank account. Now when you click on business or charity, you would also once again enter their email, their bank account details, and their recipient address. Now after completing and filling in the information you would need, you would be able to go and review your payment and then send the money to either yourself, someone, or the business. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.